Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose x is positive, you are asked to solve the following equation, that is x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 162. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. So from x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 162, it can be written as 3, 2 of x plus 81. And 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. So this is 9x plus 81. So it is 9x and 9 to the power of 81. Therefore, x to the power of x over 9 to the power of x equals to 9 to the power of 81. For the left hand side, it is x to the power of 9 to the power of x equals 9 to the power of 81. And with this, we can easily get one of the solution because 9 equals to 81 over 9. And comparing the left hand side and right hand side, we know that x equals to 81 is a solution. So the next question, if x equals to 81, unique solution. Let's look at this question again, and we can take log both sides, and in this case it's log base 3. So this will be equals to 2x plus 162. Left hand side, x times log 3x equals 2x plus 162. Log 3x equals to 2 plus 162 over x. We can have a graph of y equals to log 3x. Y equals 2 plus 162 over x. We draw on the graph, we will see that y equals to log 3x, it is an increasing graph, and that is equals 1. The other one will be a decreasing curve. Of course, this graph is not drawn on scale, and we can see that they have only one and only one intersection. And just now we already know that this intersection equals 81. And now can answer the question whether it is a unique solution? Obviously, it is. So meaning that the answer for this question is x equals to 81. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.